Okay, today we're going to be talking about how to clean in between the teeth, because as we discussed yesterday, it's really important to be cleaning all 5 surfaces of the tooth. You have the occlusal surface, the buccal, the lingual surface, the mesial and the distal surface. And your toothbrush is going to do an average job at cleaning those areas on its own. I do recommend the electric toothbrush. You're going to get a slightly better clean in my opinion, because the oscillating rotating head is doing a lot of the hard work for you, and these pulsate a little bit, so it's going to get the bristles in between the teeth, but it doesn't remove the need to clean in between the teeth with either floss or other interdental brushes. I like to use floss, but I like to use tape actually. Dental tape, because it is thin in cross section, therefore it's less likely to get stuck in between the teeth. This is waxed and it's minty taste as well, so it's a little bit more pleasant. And I find this so much more easy to use than the circular floss, which tends to catch things and can also fray and break too. So I really like the Oral-B satin tape. That's a really nice option. Alternatives, and I do feel that interdental brushes give a better clean personally, because they're like a pipe cleaner. They're going to be removing more debris from the area in between the teeth, which isn't just a flat surface, it's kind of a gap between the teeth. So if you can utilize these interdental brushes, and this is just one brand, TP, there are other brands that manufacture slightly different types with bamboo handles and things like that, but TP are very good. They have a sustainable source, and they're very good from an environmental perspective actually. So I like this brand and I like what they do, and the interdental brushes are really beneficial for cleaning not only in between the teeth, but also we need to be cleaning down onto the root surface as well, underneath the gum line, as I said, into that gingival crevice, which is 1 to 2 millimeters in a healthy gum. If you have gum disease, periodontal disease, and you've had bone loss, then we need to be cleaning as deep down into that pocket as we can. And these interdental brushes will go quite a long way to helping you do that. In addition, you might want to consider this compact tufted brush, which is also by TP. It's got a very compact bristle there, and it's very good for getting around sort of lone standing teeth, back teeth, and also cleaning down into pockets if you can utilize this tool. So in my Better Brushing Bootcamp as well, I've got some advice on how to actually use these products specifically. This is just generally showing you a range of different products and tools. I'll put some information in the cards below to help you to get to grips with using them.